Hi guys, so I'm about to share with you my updated makeup routine. You can see how simple and pretty my makeup is.
I'll be applying this vitamin C serum on my face. I'll be applying it on a flat surface. Now, I do this particular makeup like if I'm in a hurry to maybe go to class or just go somewhere. You want to apply it where you're supposed to put your concealer, and that's it. While I'm waiting for this to, dry a little, I'm just going to be applying blush. I know it's looking kind of plenty, but trust me, you're going to see the aftermath of this. One thing I've actually noticed is that when I do this particular way, I end up using less product on my face. Just going to blend it. I love to blend my concealer, but it's this foundation, but actually concealer inside my blush. This is my main concealer. I'm going to be applying it just here. Make hair, brighter. I'm going to allow it sit for a little bit before I blend it. This is my contour palette. Please guys, don't look at the way it's dirty. I've sold it very well. Here, just a little. You might not see because it's kind of finished, but yeah. Sometimes brushes play like a big role in your makeup. Lighter concealer. I like to press it into my skin. Now I'm going to have my eyebrows. This is my spoolie. Say hi, spoolie. This is actually hair gel. I just have a little in my container. I'm going to use it to brush my eyebrows upward. That is gonna dry. I'll do the second one now. It's time now to sketch my eyebrows. I didn't even sketch inside, but just because I used that my gel to brush it up, look at how it looks natural already. Going to go in with this my foundation first. I used to conceal first, like just trust the process. I'm gonna use this now to pat it in, and I'm going to go with the lighter shade. Next thing I'm going to be doing is my eyeshadow. This is my eyeshadow palette. Next thing is my eyeliner. I'm usually scared to do my eyeliners. I'm sorry I had to do this one off cam because it was giving me a tough times. And then I use white here. This is my pressed powder. More blush because I can't. That is something I love to do, to use like white eyeshadow around my waterline. It just makes my face or my eyes pop more. The next thing, my lips.
Thanks for watching. Bye. See you guys next time.